What's up everybody, it's Lucas coming here, and today we'll be reacting to a video called EAS Scenario, a scary special scenario, the blood weather. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh god.
There's a better way to get fast home.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh god. What's that in the background out here? Oh god! Oh god! What's that in the background here? Hello? You need something? You need to take a flight?
Warning. This is a serious message. Please pay attention. Weather warning. In just a minute, there are reports of flash floods and tsunamis around half of the U.S. Canada and Mexico has also told us about this crazy weather event. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration has noticed something unusual with the clouds as well. The clouds are turning dark red, as well as the sky. It looks black because we can't see it due to nighttime. There are still no emergency instructions.
Oh god!
Right. Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency.
Oh my god!
EASA has confirmed that the moon has also been involved within the blood weather situation. The moon was spotted to red and glow bright red. The situation has now become dangerous as thousands of people were engulfed by the bloody floods and threatened to tsunamis and were unable to get out alive. It is time to instruct for safety. Everyone must gather their supplies, such as food, water, a mask, cash, flashlight due to nighttime, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate to the nearest shelter. NASA and NOAA are working together to try and find a solution to this dangerous weather situation.
Oh. Oh my god.
The United Nations has issued a severe multinational catastrophe. 5 minutes ago, the blood weather situation has affected multiple countries besides just the US. The problem has escalated through the US and Russia. Worse, it's still spreading just like how it shows in Russia. It has also been seen that the moon was turning red as well, according to NASA. It is
Oh god.
The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued an update about the red moon. The moon is now crystalline red with the craters being invisible. Something else is going on as well. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has said that people were turning red-skinned. NASA confirmed the red skin condition is when you look at this bloody moon. The World Health Organization will investigate if this red skin condition is fatal or not. Let's get back to the...
Oh god.
The World Health Organization has finished their investigation in just a minute. WHO has confirmed that the red skin condition is disease. People were seen with skin peeling from their bodies like oranges while their skin turns red. WHO is developing a vaccine to combat this event. The United States Space Force is taking action against this evil.
You shouldn't have scared me.
Tonight, cloudy intervals, low 36. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Monday,
Okay.
generally
Come on! Get it! Ah!
west at 5
Woo!
Well done, Space Project. The moon is still red, but it's back to its harness form anyways. But we need to try to solve the world problem as well. And
Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god.
Following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The blood weather is slowly but surely taking over the world. Several collapses feared, but chances are that we will survive. A tornado has even been formed, resulting in the risk of hurricanes. If the tornado is really filled with blood, the United States Chemical Safety and Hazard Investigation Board has also detected some disturbing results with the blood weather. They said that it is actually real human blood instead of sending blood. All results are
Oh! Oh god. It's not my imagination. It's a scarier. Hell no. No, it's not. No. I said no. And that's final. No, it's not. It's true. I don't know why. Oh no! Hell no! Oh god! Oh god! Oh no! Hell no! It's not! I know, but I'm not going outside. What? No. Oh god. See? The ball moved. Oh god. Damn. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Stop. Damn. No connection. Great. No connection. Please don't jump scare me. This podcast has been terminated. Really? I was about to read that. Shut down. Oh no, someone's gonna jump scare me. Oh.
Something's going on with the Earth. I gotta check it out. Wait, what the heck happened to this?
Enable
The
disconnect
interface
the
was
server.
blue, not red. It's red now. It was supposed to be blue.
Connection
Oh well,
found.
connection found. We put in my password. Even that's supposed to be blue. Okay. Let me check out what's going on, because the Earth is starting to get bloody. Yes. Program. What the hell? Oh, no pun intended. Okay.
Thank you so much for being at the beach because we do have something to
Okay.
in terms of
The file one contains privacy.
here in South Florida to see where you have a
Whoa, what the heck? What happened to the nature file?
as we head
Okay.
today, and you're going to want
Okay, I gotta stop with you. Disable. Watch action failed. But I'm the good. Hey, got me the blacklist option. This good. Hey, it unblocked myself. Look. Block.
Whoa.
Oh, jeez. Okay. Axe. Okay, let me... Oh my god, that is totally done. No, gotta get the action.
Oh god.
Hey, where did the flame button go? Recycle? There's nothing in the recycle anymore. Okay. Command. Now type the filter. Hey, it won't type. Okay. Filters. What's that? Scan? My internet's connected. What are you talking about? Okay, Control R. Yeah, I did that. Control R. And it's still in the crazy mode. Oh, I have an idea. I have this. Press on his hand. Drag file to box. Stop. 45 already? Oh my god, 56. 77. 1,000? No, I gotta stop this.
Oh god.
Come on. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
Woo. Don't you worry guys. It's fixed. Woo! We did it! Woo!
Is this thing working? Okay. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United Nations. Station WTOP FM 30315. The dangerous weather situation has disappeared in just 15 minutes. Unfortunately, the world did not go unscarred. As a result, government repair is guaranteed to take 5 months due to advanced technology being on the things that survived completely. But oh well. Danger subsided, everyone is now safe to exit their shelters and resume their normal activities. All program may continue.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and let me know what you think about this video. Bye, and we'll see you later.